Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do avocado pre-poo treatment. Hopefully you learn something and you'll enjoy. Keep watching. So I'm gonna start cutting my avocado into two pieces. Okay, I'm gonna take my fork and just mash my avocado. Spoonful of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. And honey. Then I've got my tea tree essential oils, so I'm gonna put about 5 drops. One, two, three, four, 5. This one also I'm putting 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my mixture is done, so I'm ready to apply on my daughter's hair. So keep watching and see how that is done. Oh, hi everyone. So this is my daughter's hair. I'm going to do a deep conditioning. Her hair is a bit dry, so what I'm gonna do first of all, before I apply my avocado treatment, I'm going to detangle the hair bit by bit until the hair is all done. So I start just to separate the hair with my fingers before I can use my tangle teaser. So this is my avocado treatment, which I'm going to be doing today. finished with the avocado treatment. We applied everywhere, all the strands. They have moisturized with this avocado treatment. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna put a shower cap, but I don't have any shower cap in the house, so I'm just using ordinary carrier bags to cover it for 2 hours. Then I'll show you how I'm gonna rinse that out. Thank you for watching. See you.
Bye.
Guys, this is how her hair looks like after sitting in a plastic bag for 2 hours. It's very moisturized and shiny. So I'm just going to rinse out the avocado before I proceed to shampooing. I'm using Sheer Moisture 10-in-1 multi-benefit shampoo. After shampooing my daughter's hair, as you have noticed, there is some avocado bits left on the hair, but this is not worrying me because I'm just gonna brush them out when I'm doing my conditioning. I'm using Sheer Moisture Restorative Conditioner. I love this conditioner because it makes her hair so soft and easy to comb. My fingers are just going through the hair, so I love it. Okay guys, I finished with my conditioner. Normally when I do this, I'll let it stay like for 15 minutes, then I rinse it off, but because it has been a long day for her, so I'm just gonna rinse it off. But normally I let it stay for at least 15 minutes before I rinse it off. But I'm happy with the results. As you can see, the hair is nice, soft, moisturized. thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It was fun.
Yeah, very fun.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, share if you don't mind. See you in the next one. Goodbye.